I had spaghetti hair now. It's thin. Do we love it? It's definitely giving white people hair. Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi Radebe, back on your screens once again, and I'm looking crusty dusty, and that's okay because today I'm gonna be relaxing my natural hair. Phew, a lot to unpack, a lot happened for me to get to make that decision, but it's okay. I'll explain everything. I know this year I've neglected my channel and all that stuff, but it's okay. I'm gonna explain. Lots of things have been happening in my life, and right now I feel like a roller coaster of emotions when coming to my natural hair. For example, I want to go to the gym, but I can't go to the gym because my hair looks like this. And I know some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, but your hair looks fine. No, it doesn't. To me, it doesn't. It's tangled up, it's dry, it's just not looking lively, and I feel like now my natural hair started to hinder me from doing things that I love. And for me, I love working out, I love weight training, so I don't want to now feel some type of way when I have to go work out because my hair's not done, and the effort that it takes to get ready when you have natural hair, especially when it's out like this and it's not a protective style whatsoever. So I am going to be relaxing my hair. I will my little sister's going to be helping me with that, so let's get ready to oh my goodness. No, that's what they be saying. You guys, Linda is putting this Vaseline, y'all. But the edges starts it. But you shouldn't put it on the edges. Yeah, but the edges need to get relaxed, okay, bro. You need to put it like on your forehead. Yes, so that it doesn't hurt my skin. This is a relaxer we're gonna use the Dark and Lovely.
I'm a content creator again.
Yeah, Dark and Lovely bodifying what protein fat what that's the one we are using.
It's a fat protein bodifying relaxer. Oh, why didn't we take regular?
No, because it's fine, regular is fine.
But anyway,
what about drinking super?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Linda's gonna do the back, I'm gonna start the front. Okay. This is intense, guys.
Okay, wait. I can start by putting it in the middle, and just.
Okay, I'm gonna do like this, like they do it in the salon, like this.
Yeah, I'm certified as well.
Yeah. So this is what I remember doing. They do this at the salon.
You can't go back now.
No, it's too late.
It's too late.
Yo, the smell! Oh my gosh!
I actually like the smell of this.
You like the smell of this?
It smells nice.
Linda Batroom.
Baba.
Yes. And then we just go line for line. Try not to put it like directly on my scalp. Yes, I know it doesn't make sense, but don't aim for the scalp. Like you see how I put it here? It's like on my roots but not my scalp.
So why don't you want it on your scalp?
Because I think it will burn me.
Okay, I tried.
Yeah, just don't like direct it to the scalp. You know what I'm trying to say?
I think I understand.
Yeah.
But except for the back has to be on. Here, like here it has to be on.
Second this thing starts to burn me, I will be running into the shower to rinse it off.
Remember, you must rinse off properly, yeah?
Yes.
You've been natural hair since what, 2016?
Yes.
Shit. That's a long time.
I know, right?
And I think it also, I feel like when you make it, it'll kind of like show people that, like, as someone that has type 4 hair, just because you've gone natural does not mean your hair's gonna be Rapunzel when you relax it, you know?
Yes, no, it's not.
It's not realistic, and I think a lot of people go natural for that fact.
Yeah, they're like, I want to grow my hair so I can relax it and it's gonna be longer.
Yeah. It's an eye. Biggest scam.
Yo.
I'm almost done. Watch out.
No, I'm not burning.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Oh, buddy, you can see that.
My camera's gonna die, so we're gonna finish off, wait, and then you guys are gonna see me with the relaxer off of my head. So I'm gonna go shower after this and wash my hair basically.
You have a very tiny head.
I have a tiny head, that's why I was scared of cutting my hair. Okay everybody, so I'm left with like 2 minutes before, is this focusing? I'm gonna feel like 2 minutes before I go into the shower. So far this is how my hair looks like. I don't know, we will see. I'm gonna do a detailed video explaining why I did all of this, because right now I just wanna relax and wash my hair. It's about to rain, which is I'm gonna get annoyed because I can't go to the gym when it's like that. So I'm gonna go wash my hair, blow dry. I'll come back, I'll show you guys everything as I'm going, but right now I don't want to take you guys to the shower with me. I'm just gonna be removing this, you guys know the process. And yeah, so this is about the length you should expect. I think it should be exactly at shoulder length, and yeah, so I'm excited. I hope you guys are too, and yeah. Okay my peeps, so I just come out of the shower, if you guys can tell. This is my new hair. This is my new hair. I have the mirror here. This is my new hair, you guys. It feels flat. No, it doesn't have like any sort of density. Washing out of the relaxer was definitely an experience and a half, because it felt like there's this weird thick slimy substance on my hair that I have to wash off. And also, you know how when you have natural hair you use like half a cup of conditioner or like a full cup of conditioner? It's raining, so just use that as like ASMR. And my camera is set up by the window, so I'm trying to shout so that you guys can hear me well. But you know like how when you have natural hair you use like half a cup of conditioner, when you have relaxed hair you use like 2 tablespoons of conditioner, because your hair is so thin, it doesn't have any life. So right now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I don't have heat protected because this was definitely an impulsive decision. I was literally chilling and I was like, let's go buy a relaxer. I was with my older sister. So now I'm gonna blow dry off camera and then come back, because I really just want to enjoy the experience by myself and go through it. But this is my length. Let me show you guys. You guys see that? That's like my length where my hair is wet. But I think most of it is most likely going to be split ends that I will have to cut off, but we will do everything once my hair is dry. So for now, let me enjoy this hair. It feels like I have nothing on my head, I'm not gonna lie. Also you guys, I want you to know that this decision was between relaxing or cutting my hair. There are the clippers are right there. I was gonna shave off my hair or I was gonna relax it, and I was like, no, let's relax it because I still want to have hair. And this is what we have so far. This is what we have. Y'all see that? The color looks very beautiful, if I have to say. Like, I feel like the camera's not doing it justice. In real life it's like brighter than this. Also it's like less time to blow dry your hair if you have like relaxed hair compared to natural hair, and I'm liking that. It took me like 10 minutes to blow dry this side of my hair, so I'm gonna be back in 10 minutes. I am done with my hair and this is how we look. She's definitely giving, you know, wavy. She's still very much thick. We love her. I love the color. And basically this is it, you guys. This is basically how I look now. This is gonna be my everyday look. I think what makes me happy is that now when I get ready for the gym I don't have to take too long. But also this is a new challenge because now I have to figure out how to take care of relaxed hair. And I was just, my little sister was just combing through my hair. She couldn't stop combing through my hair because it's like, you know, when you have natural hair you don't have that kind of excess, just to, unless if you do like a silk press or something. What's next for my hair I don't know yet, but right now this is where we're at, and we're gonna be going on that journey of learning how to take care of relaxed hair and how to moisturize it, because I actually don't know how to moisturize relaxed hair. I was trying to figure out now what I'm supposed to do, but right now it feels like I just blowed out my natural hair. And also I didn't want my hair to be like extremely like silky and smooth and like wavy. No, I wanted it like just manageable. I just needed something manageable to do with my hair, and I think this is gonna be it for the next, I don't know, 6 months. or whatever. I'm still looking into cutting my hair, just not ready yet to commit to all of that. But this is how I look. This is the new me. This is the new me. It feels weird. It just feels weird to have straight hair like on the floor and not coily hair, but on my head it feels normal. It feels like I blew dry my hair, but I know it's never gonna go back to being natural. So this is me. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye for now.